How to use Best Buy for Apple products. Using Best Buy for Apple product is a valuable alternative to shop or shopping directly at an Apple store because Best Buy is an Apple Authorized Service Provider. This means they carry the same genuine product and are warranties while offering additional membership perk and local service convenience as well. So what here you need to do is open your Best Buy app onto your device. Now, Best Buy sells a full range of Apple hardwares from iPhones and iPads to MacBook and Apple Watches as well. An all new Apple product comes with the standard 1 year manufacturer warranty as well. And if you have my Best Buy total membership, that is $179.99 per year, you receive AppleCare Plus at no extra charge on most new Apple product purchased there as well. You could also use a Best Buy credit card to access 12 to 18-month interest-free financing on major purchases like MacBooks or iPad as well. And the Best Buy trade-in program allows you to swap old electronics for store credit. You could just use online estimator to check the values of your current device. And if you want to do it in-store or mail-in, you could drop off your device at a local store for immediate credit via a Best Buy e-gift card or use a prepaid shipping label for meals as well. This way, you can use Best Buy for Apple products. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.